You might be wondering where we can meaningfully and fruitfully celebrate our 500 YOC Jubilee in our respective local churches. In a decree issued on February 25, 2021 to the Catholic Bishops' Conference of the Philippines, Pope Francis approved the designation of Jubilee churches across the local churches in the Philippines to mark the celebration of the 500 years of Christianity. Across all the archdioceses, dioceses, apostolic vicariates, and prelatures in the Philippines, 537 churches have been designated as pilgrimage and jubilee churches. In Cebu, which is the center of the 500 YOC celebrations, 13 jubilee churches are chosen. They are the following: the Cebu Metropolitan Cathedral, Saints Peter and Paul Parish, Bantayan Island, San Nicolas Parish, Cebu City, St. Catherine de Alexandria Parish, Carcar City, Patrocinio de Maria Parish, Bolhoon, St. Anne Parish, Barili, National Shrine of St. Joseph, Mandaue, San Guillermo de Aquitane Parish, Dalagat, St. Michael the Archangel Parish, Argao, Santo Tomas de Villanueva Parish, Danao City, St. Vincent Ferrer Parish, Bugo City, St. Francis of Assisi Parish, Balamban, and the National Shrine of Our Lady of Rule, Lapu-Lapu City. These churches are not just centers of prayers and devotions, but have been known to many faithful as having rich in history of faith and in religious traditions. Hence, in our visits to them, we surely would be enriched in our faith and in our religious practices. Most importantly, we also would receive the plenary indulgence which our Holy Father has graciously granted to us in our celebration of the 500 YOC. So come and let us visit the nearest Jubilee Church and make our faith enrich, and to others make it a gift, since all of us are truly gifted to give.